Hello guys. A food processor can help you slice, dice, chop and blitz. We tested leading brands including Kenwood, Magimix and KitchenAid to see which models performed best. In this video, we are reviewing the top 7 best food processors. We spent more than 40 hours picking the best one, so enjoy the video till the end. Coming in at 7th place is the Cuisinart DFP-14CRM food processor. A true kitchen workhorse, this doesn't have a lot of fancy frills but it will get the job done easily. This has 2 large paddle buttons, one for on and one for off pulse, and that's all you need for the machine to perform all of its functions. This has a 14-cup work bowl that's large enough for family cooking and an extra large feed tube, so you won't need to cut foods like potatoes to make them fit. It has small and large pushers, so you can process the potato in one piece or stand carrots up so they won't fall over while you slice or shred. This includes one shredding disc, one slicing disc and a removable disc stem that fits both of them, along with a metal blade for chopping, mixing, blending and emulsifying. And when it came to kneading, our reviewer found that the swift-acting blade turned dough elastic in a matter of minutes with minimal effort. 6th in place is the Breville BFP800XL food processor. Not everyone needs a professional level food processor, but if you frequently make French fries, pasta, pizza or pie dough, big batches of nut butter, or food for a crowd or a big family, you'll get a lot out of this Breville food processor, which essentially serves as a sous chef extraordinaire. Here's why you'll love it. The Breville comes with 2 bowls, a big one that can handle a lot, along with a small one that's ideal for making sauces for smaller projects. After testing the processor, our reviewer found that the hummus and white bean spread she made turned out smoother and creamier than dips made using a more affordable food processor. It also comes with 2 feeding tubes. Again, you can select the option you'd prefer for the job at hand. The machine is quick and powerful, speeding up dinner's arrival on the table. Next, in 5th place is the Hamilton Beach food processor. This budget food processor will fit your budget and your kitchen. It's not the largest processor you'll find, but the 10-cup bowl is large enough for prepping family dinners, and it's easy to empty if you need to shred multiple batches for your famous coleslaw. This food processor has 2 speeds plus a pulse option, so your salsa will be as smooth or chunky as you like it, while the bowl scraper can be used while the processor is running or off, so you clean the sides of the bowl without needing to remove the lid. The latter feature proved to be a game changer when making basil pesto, which our tester said came out perfectly blended and creamy. The processor includes a reversible shredding, slicing disc and a stainless steel blade for chopping, blending, pureeing and more. 4th in this list is the Magimix Compact 5200 food processor. Most food processors hold about 14 cups, but this 16-cup Magimix, made in France by a robot coupe, can handle just about anything you throw at it. Not only is it large, but it includes accessories that you won't find with other food processors. This comes with 3 bowls, so you can work with small or large amounts of food. This comes with 3 bowls, so you can work with small or large amounts of food and use one after the other. When you're done, they nest inside the machine, so you don't need to find space to store them. This has just 3 buttons for easy operation, one for stop, one for auto, which keeps on, and 1 button for pulsing. The induction motor adjusts the amount of power used, so it can power through dense materials with ease. The wide feed tube accommodates large foods, while a 3-stage pusher can handle slim, medium or large food without them tipping over or cutting unevenly. In third place is the Cuisinart 088 food processor. This classic food processor is almost retro. A single paddle controls on, off and pulse functions for no fuss operations. While this isn't a huge processor with a 7-cup bowl, it still has all the functions of its larger cousins, including the ability to knead bread dough. This includes a medium slicing disc, a shredding disc, and a stainless steel chopping blade for processing everything from cheese to mayonnaise, and it includes a flat cover that you can use when you're processing in the bowl and you don't need to add food during processing. This has small and large pushers and a large feed tube, so your carrots and celery for soup can stand upright, but you can still process larger foods without cutting them into small pieces. For easy cleaning when cooking is done, all of the removable parts are dishwasher safe. In second place is the Cuisinart FP-13DSV food processor. Not too big and not too small. The 13-cup Elemental from Cuisinart comes equipped with 2 size work bowls, 13-cup and 4.5-cup, to handle any size job, small or large. The design is mid-sized, so it doesn't take up as much room as slightly larger processors. The 4 buttons have a rubberized cover, so they are easy to wipe clean. No knobs or nooks that can collect food. Choose high, low, off or pulse, so you can make your salsa as smooth or as chunky as you like. This includes an adjustable slicing disc, so you can choose the proper slicing thickness, a reversible shredding dish for medium and fine shredding, a stainless steel blade for chopping, blending and emulsifying, and a dough blade for mixing and kneading. In first place comes the KitchenAid KFC-3516BM food chopper. This small and simple food processor is just what you need for whipping up a batch of salsa, blending salad dressings, chopping nuts for a garnish, or pureeing some vegetables. It has a 3.5-cup processor bowl with a locking blade that won't fall out of the bowl when you empty it. The sprout makes pouring less messy when you've got liquids to serve. This has 2 speeds plus a pulse option, so you'll always get the results you want. The proprietary drizzle basin on the lid lets you add oil slowly to make emulsified dressings with ease. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.